Did you know that 90% of complaints about the appearance, finishes, and ease of maintenance of porcelain and ceramic tile coverings stem from improper post-construction cleaning? Although post-construction cleaning is crucial for managing a porcelain tile floor, it is often neglected or carried out with unsuitable products like bleach, alcohol, or regular cleaning products. If the initial cleaning is not done correctly, the floor tends to show a different color than the original, and a haze, initially imperceptible, yet extremely tenacious, resulting from cementitious grout, paint, or adhesive residues. This haze traps dirt on the floor, forming streaks, making the floor difficult to maintain. Fila Solutions has created a specific product that completely removes inorganic residues deposited on surfaces after installation. DETERDEK Pro is a safe and effective buffered acid for professional use. The application is very simple and can be done with a single disc machine and a wet vacuum, or with manual pads and microfiber cloths. Thanks to its formulation, DETERDEK Pro does not release harmful fumes and creates little foam, simplifying the rinsing process. This product does not damage the surface of the porcelain tile or the grout lines. As we see from the images, by removing the inorganic haze, the original appearance of the material is restored, making daily cleaning easier at the same time. The treatment can also be performed on surfaces with metal parts, such as stainless steel hoods, aluminum profiles, and taps, because DETERDEK Pro's innovative formula does not damage stainless steel and aluminum. DETERDEK Pro is the most recommended product by over 200 wall and floor covering manufacturers for end-of-work cleaning.